We'd like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.
Hello lovely family, welcome back to Eagle Eye Angle. We are here once again. If you see me sitting like this, it's all about food, and our main focus is to throw more light on our local dishes. If you're a new member to our channel, we say welcome. If you're a member, we say thank you for whatever you have been doing for us. Because we are to throw more light on our local dishes, so in today's video we are going to cook cocoyam and cassava fufu. Then we will enjoy it with hot pepper soup. So the meat that we are going to use today is pork meat. Then we also have our catfish. Then we are going to add it to prepare our soup for the fufu. So let's go through my ingredients and then we start cooking. So I have cocoyam here, and then the cassava, which is the main ingredient for today's food. So I'm going to use the cocoyam and the cassava. I will mix it for the fufu. Then I also have my meat here, which is pork meat. Then the catfish. This is what I'm going to use for the soup. Then when we talk about the vegetables, I have fresh tomatoes here. Then I also have my onions. Then I have my pepper. Then when we talk about the spices that I will be using, I have my ginger, then garlic. I also have my okra, which I'll be adding to the pepper soup. Then I can prepare pepper soup without shrimp powder. I also have my shrimp powder here, which I'll be using to prepare my soup. So in all, I have my salt to give me taste. So in today's video, the ingredients that we are going to use is very simple, but at the end, we are going to get a good result from it. So please guys, take your seat. Just sit at the corner, wait for us, and let's go through the procedures. Then we prepare our food. So at this point, I'm going to put my vegetables on fire to steam it before I use it for my pepper soup. So I'm going to add water to it. Add water to it like this. You leave it. When it boils, then you take it off. I'm going to blend my ingredients for the steaming of the meat. You add water to it and you plug it. Now my vegetables are ready, so we are going to take it off, then we blend it for the soup. So now I'm going to put my meat on fire. So I have to add my blended ingredients to it before I'll put it on fire. Then my chopped onion. Adding chopped onions to it. To give me taste. And my shrimp powder to steam, and then the flavor, and then the taste as well. So I have to go and put it on fire. So at this point I'm going to put my meat on fire to steam it for the soup. I'm going to peel my cocoyam and then the cassava for the fufu. So you have to dress it like this. You have to peel it to remove the cover, the shells, this one like this. You remove it nicely. After that you wash it, then you put it on fire. So you have to take your time, then you peel it nicely as I'm doing it. So this is the cassava. So you do the same thing to the cassava too. You peel it, then you basket it. You remove the stems. You divide it to the sizes you want. So you add water to it. And then you put it on. So we'll cover it and leave it on to cook. When it boils and we check it's ready, then we are going to pound it. Now my meat is ready, so I'm going to add my blended vegetables to it for the soup. So at this point I'm going to add my catfish to my soup, because from the initial stage I don't want to add it to it for it to break. So because of that I use my shrimp powder to spice it. Then I leave it for some 10 minutes. So now I'm going to add it to my soup so that it will cook as once. Because from the beginning if I add it, it will break. I don't like it in that way. So now that my soup is getting ready, that is why I'm adding my catfish to it. So very soon I'll call it off. Okay, the aroma alone is killing me here. So my pepper soup is ready. So let me taste it and see how sweet it is. This is a local pepper soup, very hot. So whenever you are sick, you are not feeling well, catarrh, cold, please try this kind of soup in your houses. It works very, very well like medicine. And as I'm saying, like medicine, truly is a medicine. So when you take it, oh Charlie, about some 2 hours later, You will run it and then you'll be shaking and your body will be fine. My soup is ready, so I'm going to take it off from the fire. So very soon, my fufu too will be ready. As I'm going to take my soup from the fire, my yam, my cocoyam and my cassava is on the fire, another fire, boiling. So I'm going to pan the fufu. Now my cocoyam is ready, so I'm going to take it off from the fire to continue with the rice. So now it's time for me to pound my fufu. So we are adding our cassava to it direct. You can decide to add your cocoyam. You can decide to pound your cocoyam separate and then the cassava separate. But ours, today we are adding it direct like this to pound it. Told you guys that very soon my fufu is going to be ready. As you can see, I'm doing it and the fufu is ready. Now my soup is ready, then my fufu too is ready. So I'm going to serve, then we consume it. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, then you leave your comments in the comment section. Then you also, if you have any suggestion, you can bring it out. If you have any new recipe there you want us to cook for you guys, please guys try and bring it out so that we can do it for you guys. We love you guys. So we are going to serve. Hello viewers, now I finished serving, so we are about to consume it. You can see my family members have gathered here and they are going to join me so that we can consume our food. Please try this kind of food in your houses. It's not only plantain that you use for fufu, you can use cocoyam as well. Then you mix it with cassava. If you pound fufu, I bet you the fufu is very nice and it's very smooth. If you follow the procedures that we did, you see how it is when we were pounding it. You see how it look like. So please guys, try this kind of food in your houses. It's very nice and very delicious. So we are going to consume it. Please join us. Don't forget to subscribe. Now we are in the rainy season, and this kind of soup is very good. It's very healthy. When you are suffering from catarrh or cold, try this kind of soup and see how you recover early. You'll recover fast. The food is going very, very well. Very tasty. I can see I'm enjoying it. Please, don't forget to subscribe for us. You share, you like, give the video thumb up. Eagle eye angle. Subscribe. Can I eat? See.
Hello guys, as you can see, I'm eating this meat. I have to tell you that the meat is very sweet and the food, every good food matches with good soup and good fufu. Have you seen that way? As you can see how these two ladies are eating, they don't want even to look into the camera. So for you to join me, just locate us where we are. Come and join me. I have to continue. If not, by the time I realize, the food will be finished. And they are ready to consume every food that will come in their way. They are like warriors. They always go to war on food. I will never disappoint you. Eagle eye angle.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hi there. We would like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.